Today we have a video from Cops and Karens, and the title of the video is Entitled Woman Thinks She Owns the Bar, Starts Fighting Everyone.
Around 1:30 in the morning, Joliet police were working a special assignment at Anthony's Bar and Grill. That's when officers encountered a woman who refused to comply with the bar's entry requirements.
Man, everybody vibing, and then you just gotta have one person who cannot control their liquor, man. Just making a fool out of themselves and embarrassing themselves like this. Like, look, the bar is not even packed like that. So the bar isn't even packed. So really all eyes is on you making an ass out of yourself. That don't make no sense.
Around 1:30 in the morning, Joliet...
Look, everybody just at the bar. That's really it. The rest of the spot is, you know, whatever. And everyone vibing besides you.
Morning, Joliet police were working a special assignment at Anthony's Bar and Grill. That's when officers encountered a woman who refused to comply with the bar's entry requirements.
Unbelievable. How's that guy?
My purse is on the ground. Get my purse. Get my purse. Get my purse. My phone just fell. Let me the go. Let me the go. Back up. Back up. Okay, my phone. My phone. Why you pushing her? What are you pushing her?
The security guard doing more work than the cops.
No. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro? Chill out. Chill out. Because I'm telling them my ass off. Back up. You gotta go. She's going. Get my purse. Please. You guys need to go now. Go. Let her go, bro. Let her go. You let her go? No. Back up. Let her go, bro. Let me go.
Are the security guards on the cop side or her side?
Let me go.
Back up. Let it go.
Let me the fuck go.
Back up.
As the officers struggled to keep the situation under control, additional units were rushing to the scene, and it quickly became clear this wasn't going to end with her simply walking away.
Oh, wow.
Roll on your stomach.
I have to move for a whole minute.
Roll on your stomach.
For what?
Roll on your stomach.
For what?
See, this is the worst part of being by yourself if you're a cop. Like, you can't do crowd control because you're the only one. And then, you know, these security guards, they're quick to grab her, but they're not quick to do any type of crowd control, like make yourself useful or something. Like, I'm confused. I don't even know if those security guards were for her or for the cops. Like, you want to do something, well, why don't you help with some crowd control, man?
on your stomach.
For what?
I like that.
They standing just as close. Look at this. Who that grabbing?
I'm not swinging. Just calm down. Bro, you gotta do all that?
Too many hands involved, man. Oh yeah, back up here.
Grab her other hand. Yeah.
Y'all win.
Close the cuff on her.
Y'all win. Out of the way.
Grab her other hand.
Out of the way.
You got it. Back up. Everybody, back up. Stop.
Back up, y'all win.
Back up. You will go next. Back up.
There we go.
Dude, everybody back the off. Back up.
Give me a f***ing hand.
You guys on arm? You alright?
I'm trying to pull her hand. Give me your hand. Come here. Take your taser up.
One cuff is on. Good get a cuff on there.
Incoming units, range, and can slow it down. Incoming units, range, and slow it down.
She didn't do shit to that.
William 2. We got one in custody, Fred. That's Gio. Right.
Oh wow.
Link in all three.
Hey, get my purse. Get my phone.
No, get her to a car.
Get my phone. Hey, get my purse.
Keep that back.
What is we talking about?
Oh. I was just about to say, man, she lucky they didn't send the Act Right crew, man. You know what I mean? They sent, these, it looked like they sent like the regular guys. They didn't really send the Get Them Together squad or the Act Right crew. They didn't really send those guys because all of that, that being right up on top of them and stuff like that, man. I'm telling you, the Get Them Together crew would have got that mace out. Y'all want to play games? Y'all gonna back up. Or we gonna get y'all together. You know what I'm saying? All the bystanders, everybody. Y'all better back up, So I was about to say, yeah, it doesn't seem like they really sent that crew. They sent the regular guys, you know what I'm saying? But, little slap, little nothing too crazy.
Now placed in the back of the patrol car, the cops thought this would be the end, but this woman was only getting started.
Roll this window down. I'm trying to talk to you, bitch.
Listen.
I'm trying to talk to y'all.
You just kicked me.
No, okay, but understand, I don't feel like I was arrested for anything.
Listen, you discuss it at the station later.
No, but I'm trying to get you to understand. All I was was trying to do was tell my people that I was ready to go. That's it. I don't understand why I'm in cuffs right now.
You don't calm down right now. You're gonna go.
I'm calm as possible. I'm calm as possible.
Understand?
I'm calm as possible. I'm trying to make sure that my people. I'm trying to make sure that my people have my purse, my phone. I'm not trying to for what though? For what? No. Can I make sure my people know what's going on with me? I don't know nobody's number. They here right now. I need to tell them what's going on with me.
Hit the other officer didn't kick me, so you're not exactly telling me what's going on.
Okay, my people are literally right
Get in the car.
My people are literally right here right now. Search me right now. Search me right now. I don't have. Tell my people where the I'm going. Can I tell my people where I don't have nobody's number. I don't have my phone. I don't have
We're gonna let them know. Have a seat.
How? Y'all don't even know
Let them know.
Please though. How?
Okay, we're done.
I love it. I love it when the cops, they just be saying any old thing just to like, just to get you to comply. You know, oh, don't worry, we're gonna let them know. But how you gonna let them know? You don't even know who my people are. You know, they just saying that. Get in the car. Oh yeah, we'll let them know.
Can y'all at least get one of my people right here so they can know where I'm going?
Come on.
I want somebody to know what's going on with
In the
me.
station, we'll figure out.
I don't have nobody's number.
Okay. You find
I
your
don't
phone.
have.
You'll find your phone.
They have my phone. What are y'all talking about?
Get in the vehicle.
Bro.
Talk about it in the vehicle. Come on.
See, they sent the wrong crew.
They're not going to change. You're going to go whether you want to give it the day or not.
Fine. All I'm asking is can y'all please tell what's going on with me. That's all I'm asking.
We will. If they're still
How?
on scene.
If I don't have their number, y'all don't have their number, they have my phone, how are you going to tell them anything? How?
Down. We'll
I'm
figure it
sitting
out.
down. What are you talking
Lean
about?
back.
I'm leaning back. Like,
No,
what
you
the
are not.
more do you want from me?
Why are you being so difficult?
I'm not being difficult with
All right. We're not going to do that. Sit back. Give me the shackles.
Hold the other side.
You didn't give me the keys to your car.
somewhere, bitch. Close the door. Close the door. Nope. I don't need Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. I don't need
Bring that other way.
I don't need shit. What is y'all talking about? Close the door.
Oh, just kick me. Yeah, just
She kicked me. She kicked Pina.
close it.
I don't give a close the door. I don't need shit. Cause y'all talking about y'all some weak.
Prado, this is her contact's phone number, okay?
Who's
Her family.
Yeah, they sent the wrong crew, man. They should have. They was supposed. Yeah, they. Well, everyone being so rowdy. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I would have sent. Yeah, you gotta, for things like this, you gotta either send the Act Right squad, or you gotta send the Get Them Together crew, because either one of those, you know, they have strengths and weaknesses. You know what I mean? But either one of those crews would have worked for something like this. They sent the regular guys. They all discombobulated, man. They're not really fully equipped to deal with someone of this magnitude right here, because you know you go from trying to buckle her in, then you don't want to buckle her in, then you want to put the leg shackles on, now you decide you don't want to put the leg shackles on. Like, come on, we gotta come up with a plan and get her together. Either that, if we can't do that, then at least at the bare minimum, we got to get her to act right. So one of the two got to work. You know what I'm saying? Act right, right? That's the next step, right? You send the Act Right guys. Get her, you know. Hardware may be good, but the software needs an update. That's the Act Right guys. And then if they don't work, then you got to send the Get Them Together crew. And these are the guys that's just going to rearrange everything. They gonna get you together, okay? Because you all, yeah, it's like a puzzle. the pieces is missing, they gonna put you back together. They gonna break you down and then put you back together. Okay. The Act Right crew, they just gonna, okay, a little correction. To get them together is they are gonna get you together. You gonna be a changed woman or a changed man if it was a man. But they just sent the regular guys. They this ain't. They couldn't do the crowd control when the guys pulled up. They didn't really nothing. This is just the regular guys. No, this ain't gonna work.
Okay.
She was booked into the Will County Jail on 4 counts of aggravated battery to a peace officer, resisting a peace officer, criminal trespass. Police say she was later released from jail the following day. But what caught attention online wasn't just the charges. It was the fact that she smiled in her mugshot after the arrest. If you enjoyed this video, watch this next one that
I don't blame her for smiling. She even said it. She like, man, y'all weak. People, criminals, or in an inmate setting, like in a prison setting, inmates, they know right from wrong. Deep down, they know. But they're gonna do different things to see how you're going to react. Are you somebody that's no joke? No nonsense cop, right? Or are you somebody that's you don't know what you're doing? You're not equipped to handle this. You're not equipped. You're not a problem solver. You just one of the regular guys. You're the regular guy. You're not really a problem solver. See, you want to be a problem solver. You want to either be on the Act Right team or to get them together. Yeah, one of the two. One of the two, because these are the guys, when you acting up with the regular guys, they're going to call them in. And they're going to either get you to act right or they're going to get you together. Okay? Yeah, she smiled, had a field day. These guys was not equipped, man. Not equipped to handle this. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.